jungle with flowers so bright lived a dino named Dizzy who danced day and night. She wore a sparkly dress and glittery shoes, and when the beat dropped, she'd bust a move. Dizzy the Dino, twirl and spin, stomp your feet and shake your grin. Wiggle to the left, bounce to the right, dance like a diva till the stars shine bright. She slid past the turtles, twirled by the trees, shimmied with the stego and shook her knees. The dino crowd gathered, clapping in time. Go, Dizzy, go! As she danced down the line. Dizzy the Dino, twirl and spin, stomp your feet and shake your grin. Wiggle to the left, bounce to the right, dance like a diva till the stars shine bright. She moonwalked past a snoozy T-Rex, did the worm on a log and the dino flex. Even the pterodactyls flew on down to see the best dancer in the whole dino town. Then whoops, Dizzy slipped on a squishy fruit pie, flew through the air with a giggly cry. She landed with flair, gave a curtsy so sweet, and kept on dancing on her jelly feet.